What's good with y'all young boys, man? Kevo gang, we back in the building with another trading video, you feel me? And today, man, as you read from the title, this is gonna be how to calculate a lot size. You feel me? Now look, I know y'all probably like trying to bait me on my page, like, oh bro, ain't really no trader, bro, don't know what you doing, but I'm really trying to give y'all value, you feel me? Now, you go on a lot of YouTube's page and look at like some actual informational shit you probably need to know as far as how to calculate a lot size, how much to risk per trade, how to do this, how to do that. You know, it could be anything, you know. When I was starting off early, like not even early when I was trading stocks, but when I first started trading Forex, I didn't know how to calculate a lot size. I'm going on countless videos how to calculate a lot size, and it was like kind of confusing, like damn, like that still didn't like teach me nothing. I basically have to teach myself how to do it for real. But anyways, man, I'm gonna get to the video, man. I know I'm talking a lot, man, but we're gonna get to the video now. How to calculate a lot size. Let's go, man. Gang. Check it out. Let's go to a live trade that I'm in right now, man. Let's do this trade right here. Let's do this trade, yeah. So, man, I don't even need this on no more. Don't need that on no more. Let's just get to work. Let's just get to slicing up the chart. Anyways, man, so this is how to calculate a lot size, right? Now, in this video, I'm not gonna be doing none extra. I'm not gonna tell y'all the strategy I got, none of that. Don't even mind none of this. You feel me? Actually, so y'all won't even try to get on that type of tip. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. Y'all get on that type of tip with me. You feel me? I'm kind of that excited, y'all. Like I really love this trading stuff, man. For real, man. Like I really love this type of stuff. But anyways, boy, let's go right here. And look, for y'all people that tried to bait me back then, I got replay mode, bucko. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. He was talking crazy in them comments. Motherfucker got replay mode now. Yeah, I know I was broke, but I'm finna come up. Let's go back one more. Okay. Anyways, man, so let's say we wanted to get into this trade, right? We got an extreme RSI. Actually, I can't even tell y'all nothing about the strategy. Let's just do straight price action. This is an hour chart, by the way. But anyways, say you want to do this, right? And say you want trading view, right? You want trading view. You want to go over here to the left-hand column, right? And you want to click on this right here. It might be a different symbol, but it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th icon down. Then, well, like this how I used to do it back in the day when I first taught myself how to do it. I used to go to price range, right? Then I used to click it right here. I used to like, you know, it's not going to be like exact, but like this how you do it if you don't got like a magic keys. You know, I'm working on trying to get one of them because it'd be way simpler with a magic key. All you gotta do is, you feel me, click a button and it's gonna do it for you, like all calculated. You don't gotta do all this extra stuff. And this could be time consuming, but this is just for somebody that just needs some, you know, just doing the fly. And if you know how to do it, this is how I do it, you know, and it worked for me just fine. So, you know, but you gotta be quick though. And it depends on your time frame. This is an hour. So if you're on a 1 minute, you gotta already, you know, have this done beforehand to, you know, if you on a 1 minute, you already gotta have this, you know, this chart, you know, ready. Like you gotta know like what lot size you got before you finna place. Like right now you gotta boom, click it, go down, have everything set up already, you know, like so it could be on P, cause that shit gonna move. But anyways, let's get back to the teaching. So you're gonna click it, and I typically set my stop losses below structure, pivot point, the anchor point. This is an anchor point. You feel me? That's an anchor point. You know what I'm saying? That's an anchor point for sure. That's the lowest low. Shit, it's the lowest low, and the next candle is higher. That's what price did. You feel me? That, you know, that's a low. But anyways, boom. That's how I place my, you feel me? My stop loss. You can place a stop loss right here. God damn it, right here. Wherever you feel comfortable placing your stop loss, that's where you're gonna place it. But you want to click right there. The area where you want to enter where price is at. You feel me? You see that right here? That's exactly where it's at. And then if you want an even more precise thing, so I'm putting that right here, right? So that's 13 pips. You see that 13.2? That's 13 pips. That's pips. pips. You feel me? Don't go off percent. Don't go off here. Go right here. This is where I go. I go right here. That's 13.2 pips. If you even want a more precise way to calculate, you could click it, and then you can actually type it in. You feel me? Right here. Type it in right there. That's the first bar right here. That's the first one. Line it up. First one. Second one. Y'all see these little blue hashtag. Well, not hashtag. Like blue columns right here. Like these blue little columns right here. These blue columns. That's what it is. Boom. Whatever. So then you want to go to this website. Pip calculator FXTM. You feel me? Click enter. You feel me? Boom. Want to come down, you want to click it. Now, I use two websites because sometimes, well, like this is good for like regular Forex pairs, but if you want to like trade like indices and all that, I'll show y'all that too. But what AU? I'm gonna go to AU, and then you could click whatever currency you use, and it's a US, Euro, and GBP. You know, the British pound. You feel me? If you don't got a British pound, a Euro, or a US dollar, don't use this site. I got another site for you. Boom. You want to go to pips, right? Like I told you, I was 13.2 pips, right? 13.2 pips, right? 13.2. You could just do 13 or 13.2. You can put the exact amount. I have to go to the whole number, 13 pips. So I just do 13. You feel me? So I just have a whole number. But for this second of this video, I'm gonna do 13.2. So boom. Then you go to lot size. You just want to line it up. Say I want to risk $100 on this trade. I would do what? Then you want to just line it up. Shit, $7, $5, $99, $76. Right there. I'll place a 0.76 lot. I will put a 0.76 lot right here. When price, boom, click, buy. Do it on my MetaTrader 4. Damn, I should show y'all my how to actually place it in there too. But I'll probably do it again on another video. But boom, so that's how you calculate a lot size. So you want to come to the site, you know, calculate it, but you got to do it fast, man. You got to get used to it. Do a couple reps. Come on, come over here on TradingView and do the replay mode, or you could just do it live. It don't matter what you do. Get some reps in so you can do it fast, so you won't be out here tweaking and stuff. You know what I mean? Practice it. So then you'll put a 0.76 lot, enter. Then when price hits here, it will take you out. You feel me? And you will lose $100. You feel me? Boom. And that's how you calculate a lot size. You feel me? So if I was to put $100 right here and take it out, and then you also could do this to calculate, your thing too. Oh no, I won't do that. You also could do that to calculate, like this too. Let's see how many pips there's gonna be right here. Like this 50 pips. So this, you could do your risk reward like that. That's how I used to do it. When I used to just swing trade on the daily charts, just do it like that. Because I had time. I was just, just like that's before I figured out how to. Like I was doing all this when I ain't even know how to use TradingView for real. But now I know how to use TradingView. You could do it a way simpler way than doing all that. That's just an OG way. You could literally come back over here, go to the same category. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count them down. Boom. And then you could click long position because I want to go long, right? So I'm taking a long position. You will line it up to right here to where you want to enter it, right? Click it. Boom. Drag the bottom part right here to where you want to be stopped out. So you want to be stopped out right here. If price come right here, you want to get out, then okay, boom. That's cool. And then you will hover over it, and it will tell you right here. Well, I can't. Hold on. I got to come down a little bit. And it will tell you like right here. Like this is 29 pips. 29 pips. So if I come up right here, it will be 8 pips. 8.2 pips. You feel me? Same for up here. If I want to take it up here. This is the easy way of doing it, y'all. This will be 51 pips in the middle. You see it? 51 pips. You see it? Boom, 51 pips. And it tells you the risk to reward ratio as well. You feel me? This is a 1 to 6. You feel me? So if you put your bread in right here, stop loss right there, and bet it to go right there, then that's a 1 to 6 game. Random trade, by the way. Random trade, by the way. 1 to 6. Easy. Easy. It's, like Gorilla said, easy. Easy. But, man, it's so crazy how much better I got at trading, y'all. Like, damn, that's crazy. That bitch kept running. Damn. That's a 1 to 8. Jesus. That's been $800 trade right there. Jesus. But anyways, y'all, this is a trade that I'm actually in, by the way, too, man. I slightly want to do a trade breakdown, but I'll say that for another video. Actually, I'm gonna do a trade breakdown for my next video for this real quick. But I'm still in this trade. I'm still holding this trade, and I'm currently in this trade as well. I'm in this trade as well. I'm in this trade, and I'm in AU. I've been in this trade since last week, but I'm gonna give y'all my thing. Oh, I don't even know. But I'm gonna give y'all an update on my funding challenge. I have to change some things up, and I have to just go back to see what I was doing wrong, and I believe I got it, y'all. I'm finna get this account, and we finna turn up, man. You know what I'm saying? But let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, man. I know I'm still a little iffy. I'm gonna get used to teaching y'all how to trade, but that's how you calculate a lot size. Oh wait, actually no, I'm not done. Yeah, I'm not done. My bad, y'all. That's so damn. This the other website. My bad, y'all. But it's literally tons of websites, y'all. Tons of websites for this. But I only use these two. Pip Calculator FXTM, and then I use this other one called cashbackforex.com. This is the other one that I use for like indices, like US 30 and all the other one. But I don't really use it like that because sometimes like it be kind of weird because like sometimes this website could pop up lot sizes, and then the other times it could pop up as units. So be cautious about that. Pay attention to this right here. I'm highlighting it. Pay attention to this. If it don't say lot size, then you're on the wrong site. You feel me? But if you do trade with units, then you good. But you also can get this other app on your iPhone or Android. It's called a Pip Calculator. You feel me? But it converts your money into units instead of lot sizes. It do units instead. So you can use that app as well if you want to, you feel me? Get situated. But this right here, you can just type in stuff like gold will pop up. See units, see look, prime example. It say units. So I don't really be using it like that for real. But you just gotta just do your best. It's a free site, man. But it's different sites out here. I'm still looking for a better site myself. That's why I usually just trade Forex pairs right now. I'm not really trying to trade indices and gold and all that stuff until I get a bigger account, so I can do an accurate lot size and just do everything a better way. But you could just do a lot of stuff on here. You do like US 30, like indices, just units as well. You know what I'm saying? You could do, I think, can you do Bitcoin? Yeah, you can do Bitcoin. You can do Bitcoin as well. Damn, I didn't even know that. You can do a lot of shit, man. You can do stocks. Oh, you can do stocks. But y'all get the gist, man. You could do silver. You can do silver. You know what I'm saying? You could do the regular Forex pairs as well. Just like the other calculator, man. Just like the other ones, man. You know what I'm saying? And you do it the same way. You feel me? Come on here. Calculate it. This one's right here. What this was. 19 pips. 19 pips. Okay, cool. Type in 19 pips. 19 pips. Cool. But this is AU. You do 19. And then you calculate the lot size. Let's calculate 190. That's a one lot. One standing lot. If you want to do 100 lots. That's cool. $19,000. Cool. Place it on there. You do $19,000 to make what? How many pips this is? 150? 147? I'm just say, yeah, 147. Just how you see how much you can make. Just do that. You'll make 100 bands. You feel me? This is a 100 band play. Easy. Damn, that's kind of crazy. If I had $20,000 to risk, I'll risk 20,000 right here, then you can win 100 bands, ready. If it play out to up here, this is a 1 to 7. But anyways, man, yeah, that's how you calculate a lot size, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. This video gives you value in some type of way, man, you know, because I really needed this on my Forex journey, man. When I first started out doing Forex, man, I'm still trying to find a more, you know, professional way to calculate a lot size. But this is just how you do it if you're from the trenches, trying to get it out the mud, man. You know, you don't got too many, you know, resources. And there you go, man. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm Kevo on the gang. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, man. I'm gone. Peace.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this just to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm a gangster on me. And let be the fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang, in this bitch, 100 count away. Bitch, we in this bitch, T every fucking day.